Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Nabila Arifat Manulang dengan NIM 2605012121020. Di sini saya akan membacakan hasil dari revisi abstrak dari jurnal berjudul Simulasi Pola Arus Permukaan 2 Dimensi di Perairan Nyamuk Taman Nasional Karimun Jawa pada musim peralihan 2, di mana abstrak tersebut berisikan Pulau Nyamuk adalah salah satu gugusan kepulauan yang berada di kawasan Taman Nasional Karimun Jawa, Kabupaten Jepara, Provinsi Jawa Tengah. Pulau Karimun Jawa ini memiliki karakteristik yang spesifik baik secara geografis maupun ekologis sebagai kawasan perairan tipe semi tertutup. Pulau ini dikelilingi oleh gugusan pulau-pulau besar dan kecil. Lokasi yang spesifik ini akan mempengaruhi arah, kecepatan, dan pola arus serta karakteristik gelombang. Tujuan dari penelitian ini akan mengkaji pola pergerakan arus permukaan melalui pendekatan model 2 dimensi di perairan Karimun Jawa, khususnya di perairan Pulau Nyamuk. Pola pergerakan arus diperoleh berdasarkan model pendekatan hidrodinamika 2 dimensi. Verifikasi kesesuaian model dilakukan dengan membandingkan terhadap hasil pengukuran lapangan tanggal 23 sampai 26 Oktober 2021. Pengukuran arus menggunakan metode deskriptif kuantitatif. Penelitian ini menunjukkan bahwa kecepatan arus maksimum 0,056 meter per sekon ke arah 66 dan arus minimum 0,01 ke arah 38 dengan karakteristik arus pasut sebesar 51,44%. Pasang surut perairan Nyamuk Karimun Jawa bertipe pasang surut tunggal. Hasil simulasi model menggunakan pendekatan hidrodinamika 2 dimensi menggambarkan arah pendekatan arus yang terjadi cenderung bersifat bolak-balik akibat adanya dominasi arus pasut dengan kecepatan rata-rata 0,013 meter per sekon. Kemudian saya akan membacakan abstrak before dan afternya, di mana yaitu yang Island is on of the island group in the Karimun Jawa National Park area of Karimun Jawa, Jepara Regency, Central Java Province. Karimun Jawa has specific characteristics both geographically and ecologically, namely the water area is a semi-closed type because it is surrounded by a group of islands. Both large and small island Karimun Jawa waters will be graphically influenced by the direction, speed, and pattern of currents and the characteristic of the water of the wave that occurred at the times. The study aims to determine the pattern of surface current movement with a two-dimensional model approach in the Nyamuk waters Karimun Jawa. The current movement patterns are obtained based on the two-dimension hydrodynamic approach model. Verification of the subtlety of the models is carried out by comparing the result of field measurement characteristics carried out on October 23 and 26 October 2021. The current is carried out using a quantitative description method. The result showed that the maximum current velocity was 0.059 meter per second in the direction of 66, and the minimum current was 0.001 in the direction 38 with a tidal current characteristic of 51.44%. Tides Nyamuk waters Karimun Jawa single tide type. The simulation result using two-dimension hydrodynamics approach description the direction of current movement had tends to be alternating due to dominance of tidal currents with an average speed of 0.013 meter per second. And the after is Nyamuk Island is one of the island groups in the Karimun Jawa National Park, Jepara Regency, Central Java Province. As a semi-closed type of water area, Karimun Jawa Island has the specific characteristic both geographically and ecologically because it is surrounded by cluster of large and small islands. The specific location will affect direction, velocity, and pattern of the current and wave characteristic. This study aims to determine the pattern of surface current movement with a two-dimensional model of Prof and Nyamuk Island with a Karimun Jawa. The current movement pattern is obtained based on two-dimension hydrodynamic Proof model. Verification of model subtlety is carried out by comparing two results of field measurement on October 23 and 26, 2021. The current was carried out using a quantitative descriptive method. The result showed that the maximum current velocity was 0.015 meter per second in the 66 direction, and the minimum current was 0.001 in the 38 direction with a tidal current characteristic of 51.44%. The tidal waters of Nyamuk Karimun Jawa area of diurnal tidal type. The result of model simulation using two-dimension hydrodynamics approach describe head direction of current movement, dated to alternative dominance of tidal current with an average velocity of 0.013 meter per second.